Hello my dear students, welcome back to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, in my last video we have to learn the story of chapter number 2 and now today's video I am going to explain the exercises of this chapter. So for that you all take out your new JAMS English Reader book and open chapter number 2, the last step. Student, in this video we are going to solve the exercises of chapter number 2. So you all take out your book and open page number 13. So student, in page number 30 you can see there is a first exercise. Exercise A is who said these words, take the correct words. Okay student, we have to learn in this story that there was a little boy who had a sheep, and one day the sheep ran away into the forest. The sheep would not go home, so all the animals of forest tried to make sheep go home, but sheep would not agree. So how could they make to sheep go home? The whole story is moving around the little boy and his sheep. So we have to learn this story. So now we are going to solve the exercises. So here is in number A, who said this word, take the correct words. So first statement is, I am crying because my sheep has run away. So student, tell me who said this word. Here is two options. Option number A is the fox and option number B is the boy. So we all know that the little boy had a sheep, and when the sheep ran into the forest, so that time the little boy began to cry. So that time a little rabbit come by and asked to little boy that what happened. So the little boy replied that I am crying because my sheep has run away. So we all know that this statement said by the boy. So we have to take the option number B because it is correct. So we have to take option number B. After that the next is number second. In number second, the bee will sting me, I must run. So student, we have already learned in the story that whenever all the animals trying to make sheep go home, but sheep would not ready for turn, so that time a little bee flew by and he said that don't cry, I will make the sheep go home. And the little bee flew after the sheep. So that time the sheep thinks that the bee will sting me, I must run. So here is two options. Option number A is the sheep and option number B is the boy. So here is option number A is correct. So we have to take the option number A. Okay. So like this you have to complete exercise A. So now moving to the next, there is a next exercise is exercise B. In exercise B there is a write one word answer. Write one word answer. So here is the first question is, what did the little boy have? So we already know that the little boy had a sheep. So we have to write answer in a one word. So we have to write here on the given blanks sheep. Student, tell me what the spelling of sheep. So it is S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay, so the little boy had a sheep. After that the next question is, where did the sheep run away? Where did the sheep run away? So the sheep ran away into the forest. What is the spelling of forest? So F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. Okay student, now moving to the next question. Here is the next question is, what did the sheep want to eat? What did the sheep want to eat? So the answer is grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Okay. Now number 4th is, where did the little boy want to go? Student, tell me where did the little boy want to go? So the little boy want to go home. What is the spelling of home? H-O-M-E, home. Now the next number 5, who made the sheep go home? So the answer is the bee. Okay, what is the spelling of bee? B-E-E-B. So student, you have to write exercise B and also learn it because it is very easy. There is a exercise B. Write one word answer that what did the little boy have? So the little boy had a ship, SHEEP ship. Next is where did the ship run away? So the ship ran away into the forest. What the spelling of forest? FOREST, forest. Now the third is what did the ship want to eat? So it is grass, GRASS, grass. Number 4 is where did the little boy want to go? So we have to write home, HOME, home. Number 5 is who made the ship go home? So we have to write the B. Okay. Now moving to the next. After completing exercise A and B, we have to do the next, which is exercise C. So what will we do in exercise C? So in exercise C, there is label the animals in the picture. So clues are given here. You have to choose the correct word and write down. So there is a first animal is, tell me, who is this? Do you know that? Yes, it is cow. So we have to write COW, cow. After that, what is this? So this is cat, CAT, cat. Now next animal is peacock, PEACOCK, peacock. In number 1, we have to write cow, COW, cow. In second, cat. There is a next animal is peacock, PEACOCK. After that, rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. The next one is elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. And next, the last one is monkey, MONKEY, monkey. Okay, student. So you have to write exercise C like this. Okay. So after that, now moving to the next is exercise D. So what will we do in exercise D? So in exercise D, there is how do these animals move? Circle the correct words. Okay, student. The exercise D is how do these animals move? Circle the correct words. So we have to circle the correct movement of given animals. Okay. So there is a first stage, a bee. So we all know that a bee flies, not hops. Okay. So here is the two options, flies and hops. So tell me which one is correct. So we all know that a bee can flies. Okay. So we have to circle the given word flies, FLIES, flies. After that, second is a snake. So tell me what the movement of snake? It is hops or crawls. So we all know that movement of snake is called crawls, CRAWS, crawls. So we have to circle it. Now the next number third is a fish. So tell me what the movement of fish? So here are again two options, crawls and swim. So we all know it is swim. Okay, SWIMS, swims. Number 4 is a rabbit. So there is two options, hops and swims. So we all know that movement of rabbit is called hops, HOPS, hops. Okay. In number 5, a duck swims or crawls. So we have already know that a duck swim. Okay. So we have to circle it. In number 6, a horse. So a horse trots. Okay. So like this we have to complete the exercise D. We have to circle the correct movement of given animals. So now next stage, there is exercise E. So what will we do in exercise E? So there is spelling. Join the letter to make words starting with B and C. So student, as you can see in your screen that there is a number 1, there is a B, and here are 3 OYATED. So we have to add this given letter in B and make a new words. Okay. So join the letters to make words starting with B and C. So in number 1, when we add OY in B, so it will be boy, BOY, boy. After that, when we join letters AT, so it will be bat, BAT, bat. After that, BED, bad. In number 2, we have to do the same things. We have add AP in C, so it will be cap. After that, cat. Next is car. So here is the word boy boy, bat bat, bed bad, cap cap, cat, car car. So like this you have to complete exercise G. Now moving to the next, there is exercise F. In exercise F we write this names begin with the capital letters. So student, in exercise F we have to rewrite this given name begin with the capital letter. So we all know that our names are special. So we have to write our name. We should write our name always in a capital letter. The first letter should be capital. Okay. So here is the first word is Tina. So the Tina, the first letter of this word T should be capital. So we have to write it Tina, Tina. After that Sia, Rita, Ali, Raman and Rosal. So we have to change the first letter in a capital letter. Okay. So student, like this you have to complete this exercises of chapter number 2. So student, after that the next is exercise G. So what will we do in exercise G? So circle the names of animals. So student, here are some words. So you have to only circle the animal's name. So here is the first is cow, fox, cat and butterfly. These all are animals name. Okay, so you have to circle only 4 name. After that next is exercise H. In exercise H, choose word from the box to name the picture. So student, you have to write given pictures name one by one. So tell me what is first. So in this picture there is a girl. So we have to write girl, Girl, girl. Okay. After that there is next is kite, Kite, kite. And third is bicycle. Okay. Bicycle. So you have to write there is spelling. Okay student. So that's it for today, and I will explain the remaining part in my next video. That's it for today. I hope is that clear to you that how to complete your exercises in your book. Student, you have to write and complete your book. Your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay students. So I hope is that clear to everyone. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.